Hi everyone. Welcome to today's video where we're going to be talking about ChatGpt, the state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. What is ChatGpt? ChatGpt is a pre-trained language model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses. It was created using the transformer architecture and was fine-tuned on a massive amount of text data. With its powerful capabilities, ChatGpt can be used for a variety of tasks, such as text generation, machine translation, and question answering. How does ChatGpt work? ChatGpt uses a combination of deep neural networks and attention mechanisms to process the input and generate a response. When it receives a prompt, it uses its internal representation of the language to generate a continuation of the text. The model has been trained on a huge corpus of text, so it has a vast knowledge of language patterns and relationships between words and phrases. Applications of ChatGpt. There are many potential applications of ChatGpt. For example, it can be used to generate creative writing, chat with customers on websites, and even as a virtual assistant. Companies are already using it to improve customer service, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Future of ChatGpt. The future of ChatGpt is exciting, with the potential for even more advanced language models that can understand and respond to complex questions and tasks. With its powerful language capabilities, ChatGpt is just the beginning of what's possible in the world of AI. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about ChatGpt. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.